Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Savana support in 2026. Whether you're having account issues, technical problems, or billing questions, getting help is usually quick and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open the Savana website or app and sign in to your account if possible. Then navigate to the *help support or contact us section. Next, browse the Help Center to see if your question has already been answered. Yeah, many common issues have step-by-step guides that can save you time. If you still need assistance, choose the available contact method. Depending on the platform, this could be live chat, email, a support ticket, or a contact form. When submitting your request, clearly describe the problem and include useful details such as your account email, device type, app version, and any error messages or screenshots. This helps the support team understand your issue faster. Finally, submit your request and watch your email or support inbox for updates. If additional information is requested, reply as soon as possible to help speed up the resolution process. And that's it. You now know how to contact Savana support. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.